Hi everyone, welcome to Trader's Journey. I am Justin. This is my first video on YouTube. The reason I'm starting this YouTube channel is because lately I have come across a lot of discussions regarding which one is better, the long-term investment or the stock market trading. Obviously, the long-term investment does not need any explanation or reasoning whatsoever whether it is good or not, as we all know that this system of investment has made millions and billions than any other system. But my intention to start this channel is to see whether we as a trader can be profitable in trading or not. I do have long-term investment, but I have never traded before. When I say never traded, that means not with real money. But of course, I have observed the market and have done paper trading. But now I want to start with real money and see whether the day traders can be profitable or not. I want to start my trading journey and show it live here so that people who wants to start the trading, and of course people who has already started the journey but they lost all their capital and again they are thinking to start all over again, can see whether this can be done at all or not, and doing so we can try and come to a certain conclusion. I will try my best to follow all the rules and regulations, or in fact I should say that I will try to stick to the discipline required in trading to be successful. By doing this, I hope I can generate some value and some insight into this mysterious profession of trading. Well, you guys must have seen good traders doing this, like taking live trades. But I bet you have not seen a novice like me who has no prior experience of live trading whatsoever doing this live on YouTube. But when you guys see me doing stupid mistakes, well, obviously I will not be knowing while I am trading. You guys can keep that mistake in mind and take that as learning experience and avoid those mistakes while you take to trading. But guys, when I say I will start my trading journey, it does not mean that I am going to put a lot of money in my trading account and start trading. No. That's not going to happen. Like all the beginner trader, and I think even if you have capital but trading for the first time, then I suggest do the way I'm doing. I'm starting with just 5,000, because if you can be profitable in 5,000, then you will be definitely profitable in 50,000. In fact, I have started trading from 9th September. That is, I have done 4 days of trading. And I have maintained trading log, which by the way is a must, not just in trading but in any business. Because if you have a record, then you can go back to that and see what all mistakes you have done, which obviously you can avoid later in trading. One more thing before I take you to my trading log, which by the way is the foremost and the most important thing you need to keep in mind before you start live trading, and that is risk management. If you don't have risk management, then it does not matter what size of account you have. You will blow up your account one day. So in my case, I have kept the risk limit to 2% to 3% of my trading capital. And as you know, as I have already said, my trading capital is only 5,000. Hence, I intend to lose only 100 to 150 in a single trade or in a day. So, without further ado, let's go to my trading log for past 4 days and see what I have done in these 4 days. Well guys, as you can see here, I have maintained a trading log, an Excel sheet which says trading log, and my max risk is 2% to 3% of my capital. As I said, my capital is 5,000. Now as you can see, I have started on 9th of September, and my first trade was Axis Bank, which was a long position. I bought it at 10:11 a.m. This is the entry price, this is the exit price, this is the number of stock I bought, and this one, which is in red, is my loss. That is, I started my trading with a loss. Doesn't matter whether it's 11 rupees or 11,000, doesn't matter, it's a loss. Okay, and this column shows the net profit after taking into consideration the brokerage and tax. And this is the column which I have calculated in percentage terms. It is percentage loss or profit percent relative to my capital. So on that day, that is 9th of September, I took two trades of Axis Bank and IndusInd, both long position, and I have lost in both the trades. Okay, in Axis Bank I have lost 0.23% of my capital, and in IndusInd Bank I have lost 2.27% of my capital. Okay, at the end of the day, my capital was 4890, and I lost around 2.74% of my capital, which is of course within my risk limit. So the last week, that is 9, 11, 12, and 13, I took trading for 4 days, and overall, after considering my losses, that is 2 days I was in loss and 2 days I was in profit, so I have a very good risk to reward ratio. So considering both profit and loss, overall at the end of the week I was in profit. Now my capital is 5195, and if you calculate it, I am around 3.5% in profit. So first week was good week overall, though it was like 50-50. 50%, that is 2 trade I was in profit, and 2 trade I was in loss, but overall it was a 50-50. But since my risk to reward was good, so I was able to generate some profit. So this was my trading log for last 4 days. Before I end this video, well, it will be too early to say this, but I would like to request you to please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Why? Because from Monday onwards, when I start taking live trades and I start uploading videos, it will be a live experience for all the new traders. So in order not to miss any video and the learning experience it contains, I am requesting you to please subscribe and please press the bell icon. Do not forget to press the bell icon, and obviously please like this video and share it so that all the new traders can learn from my experience before they lose any further money. It's like I'm starting my journey with you guys, and I want to end my journey with you guys. It'll be like a child is born and you will get to see her grow in front of you. So guys, please subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you on Monday with, I don't know, my profit or my loss. But if I remain profitable, if I will be a profitable trader, consistent profitable trader, then I will definitely share my strategy, my take on trading. Definitely I am following the strategy. I'm gonna discuss, I'm gonna teach you all my strategy, I'm gonna tell you all my strategy, but the condition is I have to be profitable with that strategy. Having said that, I want to end this video here. This is my first vlog, and I request you all to subscribe, like it, share it, and I'll see you on Monday. And I hope our trading journey will be wonderful. Thank you so much. Good night.